Simple reason. There is no not very complicated reason. Think of our physiology, right? Physiology, what it says, there is a epiglottis over the pathway of air, and when we eat, it is closed. And when we eat, when the galloped everything, swallowed everything, it opens and the air goes through it. Very simple mechanism. It is like a kind of wall, you can say. Now, if you are talking, your breathing is also going on. So there are chances that your food may enter into your air pathway. That is the first answer of it. If food enters into air pathway, the only mechanism we have is the upward movements of our muscles, smooth muscles of air pathway. Okay, bronchi. And very deep discussion on this. If suppose your food by mistake has some infection, the infection will go to the air pathway. And it's very, very difficult for treating an infection of air pathway. You will find that air pathway infections are very less. Say for example, corona was one of them. So very, very less. Second thing, if you speak during your eating, our ancestors were very, very big researcher. They say that it's not only food which will enter into your stomach, but along with it, the emotions also enter. If you are very sensitive, you can easily determine which food is prepared with all anger and which food is prepared without anger. Now, whatever you are talking, that will be mixed with the food. It's a very virtual concept. People who are doing business day in, day out, they will not probably accept it. But you see, sometimes if you are sensitive, you will feel that I should not eat it here. The reason, they say that you should remember your ancestor, you should give some food to insects, reptiles, so that every kind of soul should get satisfied. So there was a huge reason for that. And if you do probably neti, you will come to know in neti we keep our mouth open. So in neti you will find that our glottis is closed because mouth is open. If you keep your mouth closed, you will force to inhale through nose, and as a result of it, your water will go inside the glottis, inside the air pathway. So it is always a tussle for food and air pathway. So that is the reason.